How to fix Instagram not loading on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the app back up and running in just a few steps. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. After that, reopen Instagram and check if it's loading properly. From here, if it's still not loading, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Instagram and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap OK again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Instagram and check if it's loading again. From here, if it's still not working, let me show you the next fix. Open the Play Store. Search for Instagram at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Instagram and check if the issue is resolved. At this stage, if Instagram is still not loading, open your Android settings again. Search for Instagram and tap on it. From there, tap on Storage, and this time tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then reopen Instagram, log back in, and check if it's loading properly. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Instagram and it should be loading normally. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Instagram not loading, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.